Hey guys, my name is Aaron and thank you again for joining me today at the French River Homestead. I just wanted to share a quick update on the dozer I've been working on. This is a John Deere 1010 crawler dozer. In the last video I had tried to crank it over to check the fuel lines to see if I could get fuel to the injector heads, and I had an electrical problem. I thought it was a dead battery, but I did some monkeying around. I had a buddy come over a couple days ago and we worked on it, spent about 5 hours, and we diagnosed it as a starter problem. Let me show you what I got. So here's the starter. It sits on the left hand side of the tractor, and it's pulled a jumper between the two, and that had gotten disconnected. So we took this out and I'm going to replace that cable today, and I think I might replace the positive cable that goes to the switch as well, just because if the other one's cracked and old, then this one probably is too. So I'm going to replace those, then try to get the starter back into place, and then turn it over and check the fuel lines. Hopefully there won't be any problems after that. So let me get this back in and we'll see what we have after that. Alright guys, it's been a couple hours. I got the starter put back in, replaced those wires. I just wanted to show you from the front here, the location of the starter is on the right side of the tractor from the front, down by the frame rail. You can barely even see it, which is why I had so much trouble getting to it. It's down there. So I had to remove the fuel filter and the fuel lines. Those are all back in. Hydraulic lines are reinstalled. I do have to replace those at some point. They're cracked. They're not leaking, but they're cracked. All the fluid that you see is just diesel that came out of the fuel line. So I'm going to turn on the fuel valves, turn it over for 30 seconds or so, and hopefully we got fuel coming out the injector heads. There's 4 injector heads, so hopefully there's fuel there, so we know that the fuel injector pump is working. Alright, everything's hooked back together. Let's try to turn it over and see if we get fuel. So no fuel. Injector heads are dry. I've got a problem between the injector pump and the injector head, so I'm gonna have to take off all of these fuel lines, blow them out, and see if I can get it cleaned up. I'm gonna crack the injector pump itself and see if I get any fuel coming out there. So I think I have a fuel injector problem. Let's see if I can block this. So I think I have a fuel injector problem. I cracked this bleeder valve here and it's full of fuel, but when I crank it, I don't get any fuel shooting out where the fuel line goes. So I don't know guys, if there's any other way that you know that I can diagnose this fuel pump, please let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna fiddle around with this for a little bit more, but yeah, I could really use your help. So a fuel injector pump is not cheap. I think I was looking online and it's about $900. So if I can get this working, I would much rather do that. If you guys have any ideas or helpful tips, please let me know. Thanks for watching.